Sawadee Cup and welcome to Thailand News Today. A new week and plenty of news around. Firstly, a bit of an apology. We spoke on Friday about an elephant sanctuary in Chiang Mai and we referred to Lek as the male owner. In fact, Lek is a lady, a very hard-working lady, and we apologise for that error. Certainly there were plenty of you that were going to remind us about the mistake, and that's fine. We're trying to get the facts right as often as we can, and we'll do the same today with the news. A spokesperson for Thailand's new Situation Administration Thailand has announced 136 new cases today. This raises the total number of infections to 1,524. Deaths in the kingdom remain at 7. As of yesterday, 54% of COVID-19 infections were found outside Bangkok, with a growing trend of additional infections in the provinces. The number of newly infected health department personnel yesterday was 8. It's estimated that 14 million people registered over the weekend for a cash handout that was being made to freelancers, part-time people and self-employed. And they crashed the government's website with all the traffic. The number of people registering was 4 times greater than the government's initial predictions. The number of people who had registered reached 14 million people yesterday morning. Not bad when the total population of Thailand is around 66 million. The program had opened up on Saturday evening for online registrations. Well, Phuketians, if you ever wonder what it was like to be marooned on a tropical island, now you're just about as close as you'll ever know. Last night, Phuket's governor rolled out another level of lockdowns for the southern island. There are a few exceptions. Saracen Bridge, the bridge linking Phuket to Phang Nga province and the mainland, is now closed. No boat traffic is allowed in or out of Phuket except cargo with food and medical supplies. The airport remains open for domestic and international flights, but only until April the 10th. The new closures are in force until April the 30th. Additionally, all beaches on the island are closed until the end of April, and everyone is required to wear a face mask when in public spaces or shopping. Used face masks and tissue paper are now classified as hazardous waste, well, at least in Bangkok. Bangkok's governor is urging people to dispose of used face masks properly using the new red bins, which are designed for hazardous waste. He said this also includes facial tissue used to wipe noses or bodily fluids. It remains to be seen whether other urban areas will follow Bangkok's example. And air pollution levels up around the north of Thailand have been up in the hazardous zone over the weekend. It's also been unpleasantly hot. Air pollution across the upper north of Thailand remains at critical levels. Authorities are monitoring almost 400 active hotspots in and around Chiang Mai province, many still burning as of this afternoon. The air quality did not improve this morning, with air quality recordings very unhealthy to hazardous. Temperatures in Chiang Mai today again around 40, with more of the same on the way this week. Well, that's it for today's Thailand News Today. Thank you to all those people that said hello to Dusty, the cat. No cat today. I've actually got another 2 hanging around the house somewhere. They tend to be a bit more camera shy. But thanks for all the good wishes to Dusty anyway. We'll be back again, cats or otherwise, tomorrow.